This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. This beautifully maintained first floor unit awaits you to call it home. Open floor plan. Kitchen west/bar pantry/utility. 2 primary bedrooms with full bathrooms and walk-in closets. 1 reserved parking space located near your unit. Location provides easy access to military bases, interstate, restaurants, shopping and more. Rent includes water, trash pickup and sanitation. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.